In this video, we show how to replace the right control panel in a PowerEdge R770. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the right control panel with the fan cage and the air shroud removed from the system, first remove the cable holder by pushing down on the clip and lifting up and pulling it from the guidepost, and then disconnect the cable from the HPM using the blue pull tab. Then remove the cable cover from the side of the system by removing the 5 screws holding it in place. Then remove the cable cover and pull the cable through the side of the chassis. Then remove the 3 screws securing the control panel in place. Then remove the control panel. To install the control panel, align it with the side of the chassis, slide it into place, then replace the 3 screws to secure it. Route the cable through the hole in the side of the chassis, and then replace the cable cover and replace the 5 screws to secure it in place. Reconnect the cable to the HPM. And then replace the cable holder by aligning it with the posts and pressing down and clicking it in place. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R770, visit dell.com/support.